YouTuber and entrepreneur Thomas Frank makes $100,000 a month without even having a real job. So how did he create this passive income stream? Simple, by building a community-based product. In this video, I'm going to teach you the framework used by Thomas Frank, Dan Koh, and Colin and Samir to create a really lucrative business online. The best part? It's free to start, doesn't require any venture capital investment, and you can do it from your own bedroom or the beach. Let's get to it. The old way of doing business was by buying attention. You take out TV ads, billboards, buy banner ads. See, once you had attention, then you could sell people product. So marketers would buy attention, capture a lead, usually in the form of an email, and then warm up the lead over time to finally make that sale. That's called the lead magnet. And I don't believe in the traditional lead magnet anymore because it's evolved into something different. The new way of earning business is done by what I call the ACP funnel. It stands for audience, community, and product. So let's break down how you can use the ACP funnel to build a thriving business. Step 1, audience. How has Thomas Frank built such a great audience? Thomas Frank was always a productivity nerd, always after the newest productivity apps. And he started YouTubing just a few years ago. He mastered the art of compelling storytelling. And he started by creating content that resonated with him, with the hopes that it would resonate with others. But most importantly, his content wasn't everything to everyone. He only talked about productivity apps like Notion and what are the best ways to use it. All of a sudden, Thomas began attracting a loyal fan base. The key was delivering consistent videos, super high quality for the productivity obsessed. Viewers appreciated his genuine approach, his well-researched content, and his ability to connect with them on a personal level. So here's the lesson. You want to be earning attention, going deep, not wide on your topic, creating a space for conversation, and creating a community magnet, not a lead magnet. Step 2, community. Community is in our blood. We've evolved from being hunters, gatherers, to modern-day social beings. The community is a place where people can come in, chat with like-minded people, express themselves, and get to know who they really are. The outcome is key. Whether it's becoming a devout Buddhist or an intermittent faster, or buying your first luxury watch, communities that have a clear goal are the ones that outperform every single time. One of the strategies that Thomas just killed it at was consistently engaging in the comment section. Thomas makes his broadcast on YouTube a two-way street, not a one-way street. He's always asking for comments and dialogue. And that's exactly how you convert an audience into a community. Simply put, if you don't engage with your viewers, there's no way you're getting a community. Thomas took the time to respond to comments, answer questions, address concerns, and that created that two-way conversation. Best part is he gained valuable insights into what his audience wanted by just engaging with the comments. He knew what content and products to build based on these two-way conversations. He was able to create a content flywheel from this. The result is Thomas's YouTube subscriber just surpassed 2 million. This level of engagement not only made his audience feel valued, but built a ton of trust. Here's how I think about it. Thomas turned a hotel into an apartment. A hotel is transactional. You go, you check in, you sleep, you wake up, and you leave. You're not baking an apple pie and giving it to your next door neighbor. But what you really want is to actually change your hotel into an apartment building. An apartment building is more of a community of people that know and trust each other. When trust is there, that's what makes a business rock solid. When the economy is doing well or not well, you don't have to worry. There's deep, deep trust. Step 3, the product. Once you're able to build an audience and foster a community, your business is built on the product that you're going to offer. The question to ask is, how do I build a product that's going to be a routine that people are going to use and that's going to supercharge my community? Why routine? Well, routine is key, and that means people are going to come back to this product daily or weekly. Think about Instagram or Netflix. You're going there pretty frequently. And the key word is supercharge your community because you want to add, not subtract to the experience for them. There are two things that enable Thomas to build a really awesome product. One, like we spoke about, he listened to feedback and he implemented his feedback into building a product that people wanted. I'll give you an example. In the comment section, Thomas's audience often puts the problems that they face using a platform like Notion. So then Thomas just goes around and builds Notion templates that solve these problems. Number 2, Thomas has consistently been building trust with his audience by giving tutorials and how-to guides. And he's been doing it for free. Mega trust there. When you build a community-based product, you don't need to buy ads and rent time to sell because you've built up so much trust in your community. Toby, the founder of Shopify, calls this the trust battery. You're either constantly charging or losing your charge with your community. For example, if you're consistently giving free, amazing content that they love, well, your trust battery is going way up. But if you're not listening to them or you're selling them way too many products, that trust is going to go way down. And Thomas Frank understands this like no one else. So there you have it, folks. That's the ACP funnel with how to build a thriving business with 0 ads. Build the audience, design a community for that audience, and give your community the product to achieve their goal. If you follow these steps, you'll have a business that will blow your mind. I hope you like this video. I'll only know if you like this video if you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. That's the only way I'll know. And if you want more hands-on learning about the ACP funnel, I created a course just for that. So go to communitycollege.latecheckout.studio, or the link will be below in this video. Click that to find out more. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you later. Bye.